Good morning, children. Welcome back to my class. Today we are going to learn about even and odd numbers. So, children, before I start to give you concept of even and odd numbers, I will tell you a story of numbers. Once the numbers 1 to 10 they got bored. So they decided to play a game. And for playing a game, what do we need? We need to form teams first. So they decided to make two teams. So first two numbers, number 1 and number 2 were chosen as a captain and they started to select their team members one by one. After the team was distributed, they realized that even team had all those numbers which could be put into pairs, complete pairs. But the odd numbers had those numbers which could not be put into complete pairs. Or I can say, in other words, even team had all those numbers which could be put into two equal parts. You can see on the slide. And odd team had all those numbers which cannot be put into two equal parts, like you can see on the slide. So, we can put other numbers also in the teams of even and odd by putting them into the teams one by one, like you can see on the screen. Look at the screen carefully and notice and observe that all the even numbers have a common pattern and odd numbers also have a common pattern, that all the odd numbers they are ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, but even numbers are ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So, through this story, we have come to know that even numbers are those numbers which end with digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Or in other words, I can say the numbers which have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at their ones place are called even numbers, like you can see in the examples on the slide. And odd numbers are those numbers which end with digits 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Like you can see in the example 27, it has 7 at its ones, so it is odd. Similarly 487, you can look at the slide, has 7 at its ones place, so it is odd. So now children, you can recognize even and odd numbers very easily only by looking at its ones place digit. So let's do this simple exercise together. So you have to put these numbers into the boxes of even and odd. 135, 135, it ends with 5, so it will go to odd. 50, it ends with 0, so it will go to even. 322, it ends with 2, so it will go to even. 207, it ends with 7, so it will go to odd. 19, it ends with 9, so it will go to odd. And the last is 888. It ends with 8. It has 8 at its ones place, so it will go to even. So children, today you have learned that even numbers can be paired and odd numbers cannot be put into complete pairs. Even numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, but odd numbers end with digits 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. So your activity for today is take 2 dice, roll them together and add the numbers on both the dices and try to find out your result in even or odd. Like what do you get when you add 2 even numbers? What do you get when you get 2 odd numbers? And what do you get? You add even and odd number. So write your result in the form of even or odd. So now your task is do home learning assignment 7 in the notebook as well as online. Do page number 124 of your textbook in the book.